Hello you guys and welcome. Today we are going to be doing one of my favorite videos that I enjoy watching. This is an Amazon favorite and this is Beauty Edition. I love watching these videos because I would say half the stuff on my list was found by fellow YouTubers that I watched their videos and I just had to have these products. Alright, so this is a very random list of stuff. This is mostly beauty products. Makeup, skincare. Let's get into it. It's gonna be super random. I've got a list. I'm just gonna go right down the list and get into it. So the first thing we're gonna talk about is my makeup organizer. I am obsessed with this thing. But this thing was something I needed so badly in my life because I was so tired of my counter being so cluttered with hair care products, skincare, makeup, everything. So this thing, I'm able to put everything in there. It has a lid so everything stays dust free, it doesn't get dirty, and it fits so much stuff. I was actually blown away by how much actually fit in there. It doesn't look like it's gonna hold that much, but it really does. So I kind of keep all my makeup brushes in one drawer and then just like random makeup items in the other one, and I put my contacts in there. So I love this thing. Anytime I need a quick little cleanup in my bathroom, I just kind of go through and throw everything in there and it all fits. And as always, I'll have all the products linked down in the description box, so it's easy shopping for you guys if you want to check them out. All right, the next thing we're going to talk about are these refillable bottles. So I got two different kinds. This one is a little square version, and this is for foaming soap, and then this one is just for regular. So this particular one is my kids' body wash. Theirs actually was a foaming, and then I used the other foaming one for my hand soap here in my bathroom. And then these other ones, it came in a 6-pack. So I have shampoo, conditioner, shaving cream, my husband's body wash, my body wash, and facial cleanser. And I just put everything in these in my shower. I like emptied all the other bottles into here, and I just love how it looks. It looks so much neater. You don't have all the random bottles and packaging, but I just love it. And these are like kind of like a green color. I don't know, I just thought they looked really high end. And then I ended up making these labels. I did a short on this. I will try to link that down below. I don't know if you can do that. I should be able to, but it was actually a video that I found here on YouTube. So if you want to know how to make these labels, check out my short, and then in that description I have the video of the tutorial that I followed, because she did such a good job on explaining how to do this, and I think they turned out super cute. So I just love how these look. It just kind of freshens up the bathroom and just makes it look like, I don't know, I feel like I'm going to a spa whenever I get into my shower. Okay, we're going to talk about a couple makeup products. So this one is something you could find this at a drugstore or like Ulta, whatever. This is the NYX, the brow glue, and it's kind of tinted brown because I use it every day. What I do is I fill in my brows and then I put this over top of it just to kind of keep all those hairs in place. And yeah, it's just a brow gel, but this is my favorite, and I found it on Amazon, so I figured I would throw it into the mix on here just so you guys could see it. But yeah. All right, the next thing we're going to talk about is this Julep Beauty Cushion Complexion Concealer. And this, I want to say, is only specific to Amazon because I've never seen this brand anywhere else. But I just really like the packaging. It's really pretty packaging, and this is what the actual concealer looks like. And then you just twist this up to get the product to come out. And I don't know, I just really, really like it. I like the application. It's got good coverage. It's not super drying. I feel like it's kind of hydrating a little bit, but it still has good coverage. Mine is in the color 200 Nude, so it's not super, super light, but it matches my skin really, really well. All right, this next item I'm going to talk about, this is something I've been using for years and years and years, but up until recently I haven't been able to find it in store, and I of course found it on Amazon, so that has been where I've been buying it. And this is the Sally Hansen Stripless Wax. Now this is the smaller version, and it's a microwavable eyebrow, face, and lip wax kit, and I love this one. This is like the main wax little guy, and what I do is just take the lid off, and then you just pop this in the microwave. Then I use this to do my eyebrows and maybe right here. Yeah, but I just love this one, and it's just nice and easy. It does come with it comes with like an eyebrow, I haven't even opened it, like a little eyebrow kit if you want to like put them over your eyebrows, and then you know where to wax. And then it has a little stick, like, I don't know if you can stir with that. I don't know, I don't use it. Because this stuff, all you do is you put it on and then you rip it off. So like wherever you put it, you just pull it right off. It's so easy, you don't need strips or anything. And then, oh yeah, it comes with a little spatula, and then it says ready on here, and then when you stir it, if the wax is too hot, it won't say ready, so it's like, so you won't burn yourself. And then you can use this to apply it as well. And then it also comes with an extra soothe aftercare lotion to use afterwards. This is the best kit I've found, and you know what? I have tried their body kit. It's awful. Don't ever buy it. The wax is so sticky. I had to throw it away. I couldn't even open the lid. It was a mess. So yeah, for some reason, I think I was looking in the store and I couldn't find this one, so I was like, oh, I'll just buy this one. Yeah, no, they're so different. So make sure that you get the stripless one. Otherwise, they can get really, really messy. Okay, this next one, I actually forgot I had this. I need to do this again. I actually did a video on this, so I will link that up here or in the description box if you guys want to check out the whole tutorial. But this is a DIY like eyelash extensions, basically, you could call them. They're the little individual lashes, and oh yeah, it came with tweezers. And then it also came with this glue, the adhesive. And I forgot how cool these turned out. So what you do is so these normally I think you can glue them and put them like right up here, like on this side. But what I did was I put some glue on them and I put them underneath like that. And they look like eyelash extensions, and they lasted like 3 to 5 days. I was actually blown away by how long they lasted. If you've ever had eyelash extensions, you know they're kind of high maintenance. You kind of have to be really careful. So that's what I did with these, but I loved how these turned out. So you guys will have to check out the video. This is a neat way of doing your own eyelash extensions at home. That's why I'm in the bathroom. Do you hear my kids screaming? I'm all the way in the bathroom. There's a bedroom dividing us and an office, and I could still hear them screaming. Okay, this next thing I'm going to talk about, I probably should have talked about this when I had the concealer out, but this is my concealer brush. I was looking everywhere for a good concealer brush, and I found one on Amazon. I love the brush. There you go. I love how dense it is, and it's a little bit slanted. It is just the best concealer brush. It blends out so nicely. It's like the perfect size just to get under your eye, and oh, it just blends out so nicely. Okay, this next one, this is another makeup product I don't have in my possession right now because I ran out. I haven't ordered another one. This is the Big Papa mascara from Wet n Wild. It is probably my favorite mascara, and it's like $6. If not less. I haven't ordered it in a while, but I found this one on Amazon and it is so good. I've got my mom wearing it. I just love this mascara. It's got a great wand and you can't beat the price. Like, this is hands down my favorite drugstore mascara. All right, this next one we're gonna talk about, I have talked about this in quite a few videos, I feel like, because this is lately this has been like my secret little weapon in skincare. This is the Aquaphor Ointment Body Spray. I am obsessed with this stuff. I use it mostly on my face, surprisingly enough. What I will do is when I get out of the shower, my skin's still a little bit damp, I will spray it in my hands and just rub it all over my body, and it just makes my skin really, really soft. But what I really like to do is put on my skincare, like I'll put on some eye cream, maybe some moisturizer, and then I put this on last, and it's very, very it's the ointment, so it's very thick. But my skin gets so dry, so like I need this at night. It just kind of keeps all the moisture in my skin, and I wake up in the morning and my skin just feels so soft and refreshed. So if you have like super oily skin and you live somewhere where it's humid, you probably won't want to use this, but out here where it's super, super dry, I am obsessed with this stuff. Okay, this next one is something I've been using for years and years and years. I can't even tell you how long I've been using it, probably like 10 years. And I used to buy, well, actually, you know what happened? My mom and I found this in the store. It was on clearance, and we ended up buying it, and we both did, and I loved it. And then ever since then, I could never find it again. So I think what they did was they discontinued it in the stores, but I can still find it on Amazon, thank goodness. And this is my Schick Fab razor. So it has blades on both sides. So the like gimmick about this is that you can shave going any direction. So basically you can just like go up and down your leg without lifting the razor up. It's gonna shave like in both directions. I don't know what it is. I guess I feel safer with this. I don't cut myself as much. This would be a good razor, like if you have a teenager that's just starting to shave, it'd be a good one for them. But I love this thing. It has like 2 little conditioning strips on here, and it just keeps my skin really moisturized. Yeah, and I want to say it's only like $10, and you get the handle and 3 refills. So that's really cheap. So I don't know, I'm obsessed with this. I'm probably gonna buy it for my girls when they start shaving, just because it's so easy to use, and I feel like they would do really well with it and maybe not cut themselves as much. So yes, love this. All right, these next 2 are actually videos that I have also done as well, so I will put those in the description box because they're pretty entertaining. So this first one is these eyebrow tattoo stickers. These are so cool. You'll have to check out the video to see like how they lasted. But what you do is you cut these out, you cut it across, and what I do is I cut them out so there's 2 of them, and they're kind of sticky, and so then you stick them up here and you put them on just like a temporary tattoo, like I use a paper towel and water and just hold it on there. And these things are so cool. Like if you're someone that has 0 eyebrows, they look amazing. I have very, very sparse eyebrows, but I have some hair, so I don't know. I feel like they work better for someone that has no eyebrows. But I was actually blown away. Like once I put these on, I was looking in the mirror and I was like trying to like push a hair out of the way, and it was fake. And I didn't even, like, I thought it was my real hair, but it was part of the tattoo. So these look so cool. I just wish that they, I don't know, like the way that they go on, you can kind of see the outline of the tattoo. And it says on here that they're waterproof. Yeah, they get very sticky when they're wet, so be very careful. Like I wouldn't wear these and go to the water park. But they're really, really cool. So you guys will have to check out that video and just see how they wore, because they lasted, I think I tested them out for like 3 days. So I don't know, I thought these were really, really cool. Okay, this next one is another brow product. I'm bummed I cannot find it. I don't know what I did with it. Ever since I got my new organizer, I don't know what I did with all the other, like, oh wait, is it in here? Yeah, I don't know what I did with it. I'm so bummed I can't find it. But this was another video I did, and like it turned out really, really cool. This is the Eyebrow Stamp. So it's a little container that has the basically like shadow on the inside, and then it's got the applicator, and you get little forms that came with it, and you put those on, and then you just kind of dot in your eyebrows, and you take off the forms, and there's your eyebrows. They're so quick and easy. Actually turn out really, really good. And I want to say it was like $10, so it was super duper cheap. And that video has gotten so many views. Like you guys, so many of you have watched that, and you're like, oh my gosh, thank you so much for this review. I've been thinking about getting it. I wasn't sure if I should, and then a bunch of you ordered because of the video. So all right, this next thing I'm going to talk about, this was actually recommended by Brittany Vassar on Vassar Beauty. She talked about actually the next 2, possibly 3 products I think I found from her. So this is the teeth whitening strips. These are from Lumino? I don't know. Whitens without the sensitivity. So these are for people with sensitive teeth, sensitive gums. They don't hurt at all. And it comes with 14 strips, so it's basically a 7-day treatment. Yeah, I was really impressed with these, and she had said to get them on Amazon. You wear them for 30 minutes, and I like that they don't hurt at all. They don't sting like when you put them on. I know some teeth whiteners can kind of hurt a little bit, but I really, really liked these, and I thought they were a decent price too. All right, this next thing I'm going to talk about, this is a shower steamer spray. This is in eucalyptus, spa at home, and this is just a spray that I like to spritz into my shower. Like what I do is I turn on the shower, get it going, get it nice and warm, and then right before I get in, I spray like 3 sprays at the bottom of the shower, and then when you get in, oh my gosh, it just smells amazing. It reminds me of the steam room at the gym. Like it just smells fresh, and like you just get in and oh, it just kind of opens up all the sinuses. I don't know, it makes you feel like you're getting into like a shower at the spa or something. But I really like this one. Essentially it's just like a eucalyptus essential oil but in a spray. But oh, it smells so good. So if you like eucalyptus, this is a good one. All right, the last thing I'm going to talk about, this definitely was recommended by Brittany. As soon as I saw it on there, I went on and ordered it immediately. I think it was right around Mother's Day. Yeah, it's this face roller. It's so ridiculous looking, but I love it. It might not do anything, but I just kind of like how it feels. So what you're supposed to do is you just kind of roll it on your face, and it's just supposed to kind of lift and tighten. As we get older, everything just kind of starts to sag and not stay where it used to. So you can just kind of do your neck, your jawline. It feels very good. And then on this side, it's got a little ball here, and I like to do that under my eye just because it feels really good. It's cold, and they say you can even throw it in the fridge and make it colder, but it's just kind of supposed to help with puffiness. Like I said, I don't know if it really does a whole lot, but I just like how it feels, and I like to think that it's making my double chin go away. Alright guys, that does it for my Amazon beauty products. I hope you guys enjoyed these. Let me know if you have any of these products, and if you like them, or let me know if you're going to end up ordering any of these. Like I said, I will have everything in the description box, videos I talked about, products I talked about, so it'll be nice and easy for you guys to find. So if you are still around, hit that thumbs up button, and we will see you all in my next video. Bye.